everybody, this is Jacqueline, and in today's video I will be reviewing, demoing, and also comparing the brand new Damn Girl Mascara versus the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. But before we get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. And now if you want to know more about this Damn Girl Mascara, just keep on watching. Okay my friends, in today's video we will be reviewing the brand new Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced, and I want to compare it to the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I actually got this mini sample size with a Sephora purchase or travel size type of thing, and then this Better Than Sex Mascara, I have a big one already saved that I don't want to open it, but I got this one on a little set that I bought during the Sephora sale. You may recall or not, it comes in this tin box right here with kind of like a coupon or voucher to trade with other mascaras. So I thought, okay, well, let's just give it a try and let's compare one to each other since both of them are from the same brand. It will be available at Sephora website as well as Too Faced website. I don't know if Ulta will be carrying it or not. I'm not sure about that yet. You know how certain brands have exclusivity with certain retailers than other ones, so I'm not sure if it will come at Ulta or not. As far as pricing, the Better Than Sex Mascara costs $24, and then this Damn Girl Mascara is going to be costing $25, so it's $1 more than the Better Than Sex Mascara. Reasons, I don't know why, but this Damn Girl Mascara, for being a travel size, it comes in a really cute package. I will say it's really nice. It kind of has some embossed type of design in it. So in the package right here, it kind of give you a little bit of information. So this mascara is supposed to be for shamelessly thick and curl lashes. Now this has been tried in a study with 104 women, and out of those 104 women, 97% they said that they saw full on volume. 100% of the people who tested it said that they saw intense black lashes. 99% said that they saw long wearing results, and 95% they said that they saw long-lasting curl. So in anywhere of this package says anything about lengthening, it's basically targeted for curling and keeping the curl, keeping volume, and then keeping that black intense pigment in it. Now as far as the Better Than Sex Mascara, it's supposed to thicken, length, and curl your lashes, as well as give great volume. And I mean, we all know that this mascara, I mean, it's a favorite of many people, and I have liked it too a lot. So we're just gonna compare it and see what are the different results for each mascara. I'm just gonna open this package right here and show you how it looks, the mascara. So after I took it out of the package, this is the container that it comes. It's super pretty, very pretty, kind of like a prism type of container. And as far as this both travel size, this mascara comes with 0.20 fluid ounces, while the Better Than Sex one comes with 0.13 ounces of product. And then both mascaras, they have 6 months of life after opening. Before we start with the application, I want to show you the wand for this Damn Girl Mascara. So open it up. As you can see, it's a pretty big wand right there. Better Than Sex Mascara. As you see, the Damn Girl one, it's really big. It has that hourglass shape, but it's a lot thicker all around. Now as far as the consistency, I don't know if you can see it, but it seems like the Damn Girl mascara, it's a little bit thicker in consistency. Now we're gonna go into the application, and on my right hand side I will be using the Damn Girl mascara, while on my left side I'm gonna be using the Better Than Sex mascara. And before we start with the application, I'm gonna be curling my lashes with this Shiseido curling lash. So first, let's start with Damn Girl mascara. One swipe and you will see full pigment. This one carries also a lot of product and it definitely gives an intense black finish. Okay, so far it's separating really well my lashes, and more than giving length to them, is actually, like it said before on the description of this mascara, is giving them, like coating them to give them volume. But at the same time, it's keeping them like separated. Okay, the mascaras start to drying up and I think I want to stop right there. And the reason why is because if I keep passing, it seems like my eyelashes, they want to start like clumping a little, just because the mascara is getting a little bit sticky. And I'm gonna apply a little bit on my lower lashes. I think that's it, because I don't want them to start getting like stuck together. That's not what I want to happen. So I just have one flake right here that it came down, so let's see how it dries out. Now on my left hand side, I'm gonna be using the Better Than Sex Mascara. As you can see, the one on this Better Than Sex Mascara, not that pronounced hourglass shape wand. And I'm gonna start applying this mascara. Okay, so I can immediately tell you that this mascara doesn't have the same type of consistency. It actually gives you that black pigmentation, but it doesn't coat your lashes like right away as the other mascara did. The other mascara, you can see like right away the impact of the pigmentation. It also, the Better Than Sex Mascara feels a little bit more lightweight. So now I'm getting closer right here, and I don't know if you can tell, but it seems like the Better Than Sex Mascara, it really gave me more length. It wasn't clumpy and it just separated my lashes really well, but it didn't coat them as much as the Damn Girl mascara. This side right here, the lashes look a lot more coated with more volume and less length. That's the appearance that it's giving me, and definitely it gave me more volume, this mascara right here, than the Better Than Sex. It lifts them up and just give them more, like giving them length. This one definitely give you more volume but not much length. And now I'm going to be finishing my makeup off camera, and I will come back and let you know if any of the mascara starts flaking or if I see any transfer on the mascara, and just give you my final thoughts on them. Okay, my friends, so I really think this mascara speaks for itself. You can tell definitely it just gives you volume, it doesn't give you length. What I like about it is that it does separate your lashes, so it doesn't make them clumpy, bulky, or you know, like too goopy, while the Better Than Sex Mascara, it definitely gives you length. I'm kind of like, I like this mascara, but I kind of like a little bit better the Better Than Sex Mascara, because I like length more than volume, and that's something very personal of yours. So it's up to you what you like best for your mascara. Some people, they like volume and they really don't care about much the length. I actually like the length because it opens my eyes. I have very small eyes, so I like when my mascara kind of like give a little bit of like oomph up, and I kind of like that of the Better Than Sex Mascara. But other than that, I think both mascaras, they look really nice. I really like the Damn Girl mascara. It actually hasn't transferred on me just yet, so hopefully it doesn't do so. So well, my friends, this is a wrap. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell. Thank you so much again for watching, and until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye!